Hey everyone, this is Eric with ReLISTO. Today I'm happy to be showcasing a property 81427s over here in Oakland. So let me turn the camera around so you can see the property. So this is one of the really nice things about this property is it's completely fenced. So you have gates over here. You have a protected parking lot here that has a fob control. So you actually use the fob to get into the gate. To park your car, and so that's completely fenced. And then also you have this really nice courtyard here that there's someone set up a barbecue. There's a sitting area, and again these owners are fantastic that own this property. So if there's something that you may want to do here in the public area, I think they'd be very open for that. So today we're going to be showcasing unit number B. So here we go. Again, just looking over, again, this is a top floor unit. So let's go inside. This is a one bedroom. And as we come in, you can see that we go directly into the living room kitchen area. And I don't know if you notice how quiet it got once I closed the door. As a tenant living somewhere, it's nothing nicer than having double pane windows like this property has. So these are all new. It's the air between the panes, the window panes, that really silences or nullifies the sound. So super quiet in here. As you can see, very modern appliances. I love that range. Very slick. Deep sink, nice hood, lots of cabinet space. There's a little threshold there for the kitchen to give you a little bit of separation. Lots of outlets. You can see there's an outlet right there on the floor in case you put your couch there. Have a big TV. This is the closet for the hot water heater. Let's go here. As you can see, very contemporary. The owners have just renovated. Very bright bathroom. Nice and big shower, tub, soap tub, and vanity. You can put your toothbrush and medicines and anything else behind there. Nice big bedroom with lots of closet space. And again, this looks out. You can see the cypress tree out there, which very charming and gives the whole property a really cozy, comfortable feel. So let's just move back through again. This will give you a summary. So kitchen, living room, nice ceiling fan. So important during hot days here in California. Cool place right now. And then bathroom, and then again, bedroom. All right, if you're interested, see the link below. Subscribe to our channel. Most of our properties first come out on video, so you can see the latest and greatest. And again, this is 81427 in Oakland. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.